Good morning. It is raining, it is pouring, and I'm definitely not snoring because it's loud and it wakes me up. But I love storms, so I am here right now. It inspired me to do another little tutorial video for my YouTubers and all of my 100 and some fans. Okay, so today it's dumping. Okay. It's pouring rain. Okay. And so I was inspired to just kind of talk about, people say, well, doesn't it flood there? Or, oh, you're in the Bay Area. Isn't that a flood area? And oddly, you know, you think in your mind, logically, you think that if you're in the Bay Area, the area near Shoreline and Ocean Drive, where we're close to the bayfront, you would think, oh, well, that would be a flood area because we're closer to the water. Well, interestingly, the Bay Area is north, the north side. We don't call it the north side, we call it the Bay Area. And it's more elevated than the south side. So the water actually drains down south. So where it actually floods is on the south side near the Oso, where all the water runs to the south side, okay? And there are areas over on the south side that are much more prone to flooding than, let's say, the Bay Area or Central Corpus. Now, there are pockets here and there that, you know, like on our streets. Our streets are older and there's a lot of grumbling about our streets, but, you know, I would say if people ran the city for 30, 50 years and neglected the streets, I'm not going to be mad at the people that inherited the problem. I'm going to do my best to work with them. So hats off to our mayor, Paulette Guajardo, because she is just hustling. I've seen her do more in a couple months than I saw mayors do in years. So with that being said, I'm really excited about the progress, and doesn't change the fact though that, you know, like our streets will flood. Like we were at Staples and Everhard and SPID, and the water was a good probably almost 2 feet high, and like the construction barricades were like floating around. And I was kind of laughing because it was really deep. So yes, there's flooding here and there, but the south side has more flooding. And oddly, even the island, Padre Island, North Padre Island, it doesn't flood. You're not like flooded, oh no, it's raining and now this whole island is flooded. No, it doesn't flood actually. There are pockets here and there of the city and of the island that will flood. You get more flooded where water collects, where there are low elevations. But overall, we're not just a city that floods, okay? So don't let that freak you out at all. Just call me for more information, okay? Have a good day. Bye.